Welcome to the English version of the Pulse Multimedia YouTube channel. Here I regularly post interesting reviews about DIY, electronics, and various useful devices. Subscribe to see more of my videos. Hi guys! Many home craftsmen use small grinders. Today I want to talk about one of them, which I bought recently. I have a powerful compact electric Dremel that runs on a 220-volt outlet, but today I have an even more convenient tool in my hands. This is a compact cordless grinder. Now I will tell you in detail about it. The device is very small, light, it is convenient to hold it in your hand. I really like that there are no wires and I don't need a socket. Mine is green but other colors are available. There are 3 buttons on the case. 2 of them control the speed of rotation of the motor. The 3rd button turns on the convenient LED backlight. To turn on the device, you need to click on the plus. With the same plus button, you can increase the speed. There are several speeds here. The rotation is very fast. The maximum rotation speed is from 3 to 15,000 revolutions per minute. This is what the manufacturer promises. I did not measure the speed, but I feel it is really very high. The chuck has a classic mini collet design. Several pieces of different diameters are included in the set, from 0.5 to 3.2 millimeters. A 3.7-volt lithium battery is installed inside. If after 3 or 5 years there are any problems with it, I think it can be changed very easily. For charging, a micro USB connector is used. A matching cable is included. The cost of this device is not high at all, only $15. But that's not all. As a gift, we receive a box in which there are many different abrasive grinding nozzles. I will not list them all and show them. There are a large number of them. You see everything yourself. When I ordered this device from the AliExpress store, I was skeptical about it. I thought it was like a toy, but guys, it really works. It is a cool tool for various tasks. It spins very well. Of course, you won't cut the rail from the railway, but you can easily undermine a watch bracelet. Or, for example, to do such a very important and useful thing, cut a bottle cap in half. By the way, there are also small drills in the kit. It's certainly not a candidate for the Instrument of the Year award, but small tasks are done quickly and easily. This concludes my short review. Like and subscribe, there will be a lot of interesting things. Bye.